Children, let us start the lesson. First of all, let us recollect the lesson taught by me yesterday. That is, the author was always very carelessly leaves his trouser without seeing any marks of the either the gel, otherwise a toothpaste, sometimes the oil. So these are making him to make more and more the budget of his laundry bill. So we stopped there yesterday. Let us continue today the remaining lesson. I never did get my frequent flyer miles. By the way, I never do. I couldn't find the card in time. This has become a real frustration for me. Everyone, I know, everyone is forever flying off Bali. Bali is nothing but an island in Indonesia. Bali, first class with their air miles. I never get collect anything. I must fly 1 lakh miles a year. Yet, I have accumulated, gathered. Only accumulated, that means gathering. Only about 212 air miles divided between 23 airlines. So already I have discussed that he had a card and which provides some offer to travel frequently. But each and every time he forgets the card and hardly, instead of using a lakh miles, he used only 212 miles, and every time the card was waste for him. This is because either I forget to ask for the air miles when I check in, or remember to ask for them but the airline then manages not to record them, or the check-in clerk informs me that I am not entitled, eligible. Entitled, eligible, entitled to them. In January, on a flight to Australia, a flight for which I was going to get about 1 million air miles, the clerk shook her head when I presented my card and told me I was not entitled to any, and that means entitled, eligible. Eligible means the criteria here where the main problem arised for our author was the name, where the name created a problem there. Then he asked with a lot of surprise why the ticket is in the name of B. Bryson and the card is in the name of W. Bryson. I explained to her the close and venerable relation between Bill and William, but she wouldn't have it. So naturally in our Aadhaar card, otherwise in our certificates also, the name should be accurate. So here Bill Bryson. Actually our author, his full name is William McGurry Bill Bryson, but in that card it is written only Bill Bryson, which made him to get a lot of troubles, and that was rejected. He was called as not eligible to use the card. So I didn't get my air miles and I won't be flying to Bali first class just yet. Perhaps just as well. Really, I could never go that long without eating. So here, anyhow, by facing different difficulties, now and then frequently he has to make a travel, but he decided again, he made a list that not to eat food, not to bend to tie the shoelace, not to keep the pen inside the mouth, and take the refreshments, otherwise not to take the refreshment. If you wanted to take it very carefully, and above everything, he lost his offer, which is his right to get it due to his name, a confusion of his name. Let us go through the vocabulary of the lesson. Take your notes, children. Write the lesson name, unit, and the heading vocabulary. In vocabulary, we are going to learn about, open the textbook and see the vocabulary part of your textbook. The first bit of vocabulary is compound words. Compound words. Take your note down, write the definition of compound words. The meaning of compound words, or we can call the definition of compound words, that is, compound words are formed when two or more words are joined to create a new word. That has entirely a new meaning. Let us see the definition of compound words. Compound words are formed when two or more words are joined to create a new word that has entirely a new meaning. For example, you see now examples: afternoon. After is a different word, noon is a different word. Separately, if you will see, after will use in different way, noon in different way, and its meaning is the time before, in between noon and the evening. That is called afternoon. So separately, if you see, after and noon, the meaning is different. Together, two words, afternoon, if you see, the meaning is different. So now the meaning of afternoon is the time in between the noon and evening. Like that. Second one, sunflower. Sun and flower, if you will see, separately two different words, two different meanings. But when you will add together, join together, compound together, then that word is called as sunflower. It is the name of a flower. Like that, you can see some more words. Household. In the same way, like afternoon, sunflower, household. House and hold, if you will see, separately two meanings, two different words. But together, household, which is related to the house, related to the work of the house. So these are called compound words. There, see in your textbook, bit number 1, prepare a list of 5 such words and find the meanings with the help of dictionary. Already I have told you 3 examples with meanings. Try to find out the given words and the meanings and write it down. Then come to the second bit. Let us go through the second bit of vocabulary. Read the following sentences and observe the underlined words. I don't eat, drink, or lean over to tie my shoelaces. I just remember reaching out for the new drink. In the first sentence, drink. Can you see? Here, both the sentences you see, the word drink. First sentence and the second sentence, in both the word sentences, you will get the word drink. In the first sentence, the drink means take in or consume. Whereas in the second sentence, the drink means beverage. The word drink is a homonym. 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 And maybe already you have learnt in the previous classes. As let me remind you, synonym means meanings, antonyms, opposite words, like that. Here now we are going to learn about homonyms. Homonym, where its definition is the words having the same spelling, same pronunciation, but with different meaning. So let us go through the definition of homonym. Homonyms. Words having the same spelling or pronunciation, same spelling or pronunciation, but different meanings. But different meanings. Example already, the above one you can take as drink, drink. So the above one, which means consume, and the next one is a soft drink. So this is one of the example which is given already in your textbook. Let us go through the second bit. Some homonyms, some of the words were given there and asked you to identify that and to write its meanings. Here is a list of words. Use them in sentences to give two different meanings. The list which is given of homonyms, you have to write the meanings and you have to make sentences by using that words. Let me give you some homonyms meanings. The remaining you go through the dictionary and write the meanings and make sentences. Vocabulary bit number 2. The first homonym is fair. Its meaning just, exhibition, another one fair, complexion. You can use any one of that. Here fair just means to give a judgment in a fair manner. Second one, complexion, which is related to the skin color. Fair in complexion. Third, fair meaning is exhibition. So Like this, you have to write meaning, minimum two meanings, and you have to make sentences. Now, let us go through the second one. Number 1, number 2, saw. Its two meanings are a tool to cut, a tool to cut trees or wood. Second one, saw, past tense of see. See. So here you can write to look. Its meaning is to look. Past tense of see. We say saw. So its meaning is to look. Whereas the first one, saw, meaning is a tool, a device to cut wood. Let us go through the third one. Bank. Sides of river, that we call as river banks. Second meaning, organization that provides financial, that means related to money, financial services. So the first bank, the meaning of homonyms, these are called homonyms. First one faith, second one saw, third one bank. Bank, one meaning is sides of river, river banks. Second bank, second homonym meaning is organization that provides financial services. Financial, which meaning is money, related to money. Fourth one, left. Remaining. Another left homonym meaning is direction. Left, as I saw, the meaning of saw, past tense of see is so, like that here left, past tense of leave, also you can call as left. Remaining or leaving the place. Second meaning of left is direction, left side, right side. So like that you can use it for the direction also. Apart from that, some more words are given there. Totally 12 words were given there, where you need to write its meanings and you have to make sentences. Note it down, and the remaining also you do like this. Now let us go to grammar. Let us go through the grammar. That is, passive voice without an agent. Agent. What is this? Let us go back. Let us recollect active voice and passive voice. Now let me write one sentence of active voice. The cat killed the rat. So here, let me write the full sentence in one go. The cat killed the rat. So here this is active voice. You see, cat, subject, killed, verb. Already you have discussed these things. Rat, object. If we wanted to make it, this is the formula of active voice. That is S plus B plus O. That is subject plus verb plus object. When you wanted to change it into passive voice, then the object takes the subject place, subject takes the object place. So the formula of passive voice is, the formula of passive voice is simple one, is object plus verb plus subject. And passive voice usually expressed. Passive voice expressed as verb is equal to passive voice. That means is equal to here be form plus V3. What do you mean by be forms? That is, are, being. So usually these are called as is, was, are, being are called be forms. Along with that plus V3. What do you mean by V3? Example. Here you say, here take one example. Take V1. Took V2. Taken V3. So usually in passive voice, the passive voice expressed with be forms along with V3. That means the third one, V3. Take, took, taken. So let us go back again. Passive voice without an agent. So now the cat killed the rat. Here the cat was killed by, the rat was killed by the cat. So here, who killed the rat? Cat. This is agent. So while making the passive voice here, how we are going to change it from active to passive? The rat was killed by the cat. Now this is object, verb, subject by preposition, and usually the passive voice is expressed with the help of the preposition by. Here the agent is cat. So sometimes the passive voice are going to be used or changed from active to passive. These are without this agent. So let us go through the passive voices without agent and its definitions and the procedure. passive voice. See the textbook. Here are two sentences taken from the text. Kathmandu, that is the reading C. A corpse is being cremated on its banks. Tibetan prints and silver jewelries can be bought here. In both the sentence, the agent of the action is not mentioned. A corpse is being cremated on its bank. Who did it? So the agent is not given. By whom the corpse was cremated is not given here. Tibetan prints and silver jewelries can be bought here. Who is selling it? That is also not given here. So these two passive voices, the sentences which are related to passive voices are without an agent. In both the sentences, the agent of the action is not mentioned. In these two sentences, the subjects are passive because something is being done to them rather than they are doing something. So the agents are not mentioned in some places where the agents are not needed, not mentioned in the following situation. In the following situations. That is, number 1, when it is unknown. When it is unknown. Number 2, when it is not, when it is not considered, when it is not considered as considered important. Number 3, not desirable. Not desirable to inform. 4th one, when it is obvious. The agents are not mentioned in the following situations, where the first one is when it is unknown. Second one, when it is not considered important. Third one, not desirable to inform. That means not necessary. There is no need to mention about the agent. Fourth one, when it is obvious. That means understood. Let us go through these 4 given points with examples. First one, let me write it again. Number 1, these are the agents are not mentioned in the following situations. Number 1, when it is unknown. Unknown. During that time, instead of using, as I said, the cat, otherwise the boy kicked the ball, here the boy, someone else. So if you, when it is unknown, if you don't know who had done it, so suppose my bag has been stolen. My bag has been stolen. This is example. My bag has been stolen. Here, who had stolen the bag? My bag has been stolen by whom? That is unknown. I don't know who has taken my bag. So here, instead of using by, you can write like this also. My bag has been stolen by someone or somebody. Instead of using this preposition by and this someone, we can avoid this in passive voice. This is enough. My bag has been stolen. Why? Because you don't know who has taken the bag. So here not necessary to add this preposition by and someone. We can write like this also. But here it is not necessary. Why? Because the first point is when it is unknown. So we can avoid this preposition by and that someone. Whereas in this case we can use someone, somebody, people, they, all these things, words can be used here along with the preposition by. That is someone, somebody, people, they, etc. But here as it is not necessary, as we don't know about that, so we need not use these words along with the preposition by. So let me come to the second one. Second one is which is not considered. When it is not considered important. That is one example. Have you noted it? Can I repeat? Second one, not considered important. Example, my friends helped. My friends helped me My friends helped me with my work. If this is active voice, if you wanted to change it into passive voice, usually according to the formula, we will write like this. I was helped with my work. Without agent, only this much is correct. If it is asked you to write without agent, this is correct in passive voice. If you want, you can add agent also with the preposition by. Let me write it within brackets. By my friends. See, once again I am repeating. In usual active voice and passive voice, my friends, the sentence is my friends helped me with my work. If you wanted to change it into passive voice, I was helped with my work by my friends. But here our topic is the passive voice without an agent. So here the preposition by and my friends is meaningless. We need not write like that. Why? Because here it is not considered as important. By whom I was helped is not important. So I was helped with my work. That is enough. So here we need not write by my friends. Now come to the third one. Number 3. not desirable. The same example can be given for third one also. Not desirable. Here, if you want, you can add by my friends. If you don't want, not desirable, want. If you don't want to write, up to here, this is correct. In passive voice, you can write, I was helped with my work. Without agent, also this is correct. We need not write the agent, friend, by my friends, is not necessary. So, this above given example is even suitable for the third point, that is not desirable. Let us go through the fourth one. Number 4. So, when it is obvious, example, passive voice. A thief was arrested. A thief was arrested. This is passive voice. Here, as it is obvious, that means understood. You know, only the police has the right to arrest. Nobody else can do that. So, it is understood that the thief was arrested by the police only. Again, specially by using the preposition by and police is not necessary here. Under the situation of obvious, that means understood. It is not compulsory for you, it is not necessary for you to write the agent. Only a thief was arrested is enough for the passive voice. So, let us go through the textbook, note it down. Let us go through the textbook. Here, in a tabular form, some sentences were given related to passive voice. And in the next column of the table, it was asked you to write the domain or context. That means the topic related to. See the table. Very carefully write it down in your notes. The heading of the table is, now pick out the sentences in the passive voice from the text, The Accidental Tourist, and here are some sentences in the passive voice. Read them carefully and say which domain they belong to. One has been done for you. See the first one in table. Number 1, serial numbers. Second column is sentences of passive voice. Third column is domain or the context. First one, Tendulkar has been caught. There the domain in textbook example is given for you, cricket commentary. Like that. Number 2, in the table I am writing here only the domain. Number 1 is given there. Number 2, instructions. Number 3, our planet is wrapped in a mass gases. That is related to meteorological evidence. That means related to universe or space. Fourth one, the news is read by Pragati, a report. The news is read by Pragati, a report is given. Number 4, examination have been postponed. A notice. Number 6. 5. Number 6. The suspect has been acquitted of the charge. Order or judgment. Order, or we can call it as court judgment. Is it clear, children? Let us continue the class in next video.